your food, keep your house so clean. But let a man say ma'am at the grocery line. Now you're mad, wanna question mine. I don't check your phone, I don't call you 10 times. I just ask for respect, not these double lines. You can do what you do, go where you go, laugh with them women like I don't know. But somebody looks at me, now I'm wrong. Why your ego so fragile, but your night so long? You want a queen at home alone, why you out feeling single in every zone? You got freedom, I got blame. Baby, love ain't supposed to be a one-way lane. You smile at the waitress, extra polite, but you're mad cause a neighbor waved goodnight. I don't flirt, I don't entertain, but you're jealous over somebody saying my name. You say a woman gotta know a place, but your place everywhere but my space. I stayed loyal when it got real cold. Now your insecurities showing bold. I gave you peace, I gave you grace, but you gave attention to every face. All you can do what you do, go where you go, laugh with them women like I don't know. But somebody notices me, now it's war. Why I gotta be punished for what you ignore? You want a queen but won't be a king. You want trust but hide everything. You got freedom, I got shame. Baby, love ain't supposed to be a one-way game. You don't know me, you chose me. And if you're scared somebody might see my worth, that's cause you know what I deserve. I was faithful when nobody clapped for me. Now you're nervous cause the world see what you see. I ain't cheated, I ain't lied, but you guilty in your own mind. Your conscience talking, not my action. Jealousy, just your reflection. You can run them streets, play your role, but you can't lock up my soul. I'm still a woman, still alive. I won't apologize for the light inside. Either love me fair and true or set me free to find some